Hello there. We welcome you guys to our channel. How can an independent insurance agent provide a better insurance rate? We realize that an incredible way to connect with potential clients is through social media platforms. Insurance agents need to understand that the rise of social media has helped people associate with individuals worldwide. It is important to keep some basic social media tips in mind for insurance agents, which might help them to perform effectively. They should firstly understand the target audience's use of social media platforms. Always provide the clients with the right insurance information. It is very important to do things by taking proper time and writing proper headings. And lastly, it is important to understand the social signals such as like, share, commenting, and timely replying to queries. Likewise, there are ways of email marketing which can help in building up good customer connection and generating leads as well. Alongside using email and social media, utilizing video conferences can help you construct solid trust and build relationships with clients. You can learn and know more about this, as well as other important information, by visiting the link which is in the description box below. Also, if you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching.